it's Kate with WTI. These are a pair of incredibly beautiful stilettos I got from GENSHUO. I love these shoes so much. Look how gorgeous these are. They are so classy and so beautiful. And something that I really loved about it is that they came with two of these little bags that you can store the shoes in. I really appreciated that because that way when I store them, they don't rub against each other. There's something to protect them and keep them beautiful and scuff free. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited to wear these with a beautiful dress. They are fantastic heels. I am normally a size 8 or 8.5, and I have a wide foot, so I'm always a little nervous about pointy heels. I love the way they look, but I'm always a little nervous about how they're gonna fit my toes. I got a size 9 in this heel, and it fits wonderfully. The toe is pointy, but there's enough room that my feet are not squished together. They're actually pretty comfy in there at the toe, so I was really excited about that. I'm just so excited for these. They're just such a classically beautiful black stiletto heel, and I am just like totally in love with them. I think they're so gorgeous and they fit the toes so nice, which is always a little scary for me with pointy toes. So I'm very, very excited for that. They're just so beautiful. That's my point of view.